Network as a Service or NaaS is a cloud service model in which customers rent networking services from cloud providers. NaaS allows customers to operate their own networks without maintaining their own networking infrastructure. Hello and welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. NaaS can replace virtual private networks or VPNs, multiprotocol level switching connections, or other legacy network configurations. It can also replace on-premise networking hardware such as firewall appliances and load balancers. A newer model for routing traffic and applying security policies, NaaS has had a major impact on enterprise networking architecture. A report says telcos must adapt to avoid being squeezed out of the burgeoning network as a service or NaaS market. The major growing factor of the network as a service is an increase in investment of advanced technologies. With an increase in innovation in enterprise IT, there is a change in the way organizations manage every aspect of their business. The rise of cloud computing is one of the significant transformations since the internet launch. The proliferation of cloud services continues to be a disruptive force within the IT realm. According to ABI research, the NaaS market is primed for growth. It expects that by 2030, nearly 90% of global enterprises will have migrated at least 25% of their network infrastructure to be consumed within a NaaS model. The growth is being fueled by increasing enterprise demand for cloud-native agility, multi-cloud accessibility, and services that can dynamically scale to support digital transformation. This demand, the analyst firm reckons, means the NaaS market could be worth as much as $150 billion by 2030. Telcos, provided they are in a position to capitalize, could snag up to $75 billion of that sum. According to the research, telcos need to develop vertical-specific sales strategies and adopt a consultative process to help bridge the gap between enterprises' awareness of NaaS and their understanding of it. To drive short-run sales, suppliers must educate and tailor their sales strategy to focus on first adopters, startups and SMEs, and specific verticals. ABI notes that the likes of cloud connectivity providers Megaport and Packet Fabric already offer agile NaaS solutions, while Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure have extensive cloud-focused NaaS offerings and huge reach. Telecom operators remain in the best position to lead the market as long as they recognize their service and innovation limitations, invest and restructure successfully, and focus their messaging appropriately, say experts. However, if telcos miss this opportunity and drop the ball, interconnection providers and hyperscalers will be waiting and willing to catch it. Now let us look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. MSI launches its new line of gaming laptops in India. MSI has launched their new lineup of gaming laptops equipped with the latest 12th Gen Intel HX series processors in India. The new lineup of MSI's gaming laptops delivers great performances and features including the built-in mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX switches. MSI launched Titan GT77, Raider GE77 and GE67, Vector GP76, HX and GP66HS under their new lineup. The new range of laptops are available at a starting price of INR 2,79,990. Amit Jain's new Web3 venture raises $25 million. Amit Jain, who recently quit as managing director at Secure Capital India, has raised about $25 million for his new venture named ZAM, valuing the startup at almost $160 million. The startup is building banking and payments for the crypto economy and is currently in stealth mode. Amit Jain was the managing director at Secure Capital, where he led several fintech investments. Prior to that, he was head of Uber Asia Pacific. India, one of the major requestors in content regulation. A report released by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology revealed that even though India's share in Twitter's user base is increasing, it is also one of the major requestors in content regulation on the site. During the first 6 months of 2021, 95% of the total legal demands directed at Twitter came from 5 countries, namely Japan, Russia, Turkey, India, and South Korea. India accounted for 11% of global legal demands for content takedown during January to June 2021, which is down from 18% in the previous period. Redmi India partners with Reliance Jio for 5G trials. Redmi India has announced its partnership with Reliance Jio to conduct live 5G network trials specifically conducted for the upcoming Redmi K50i, which will be launched on July 20. The Redmi K50i will be the first Redmi device to come equipped with 12 5G bands. Additionally, the trial also assessed the interoperability between Redmi India's latest technology and Reliance Jio's 5G network. The Redmi K50i was tested for 4K streaming and cloud gaming scenarios requiring high speed and low latency. Government to soon release Digital News Media Industry Bill. The Government of India is all set to bring in legislation to regulate the registration of press and periodicals Bill 2019, which will include the digital news media industry for the first time. Through this, the Cabinet proposes to bring digital news portals at par with newspapers. The bill seeks to replace the Press and Registration of Books Act 1867, which covers the range of newspapers and printing presses in India. This is the first time that digital media in India will have regulations. If the bill is cleared, digital media will be regulated by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.